Badminton o pickleball? Parehong mabilis, masaya at nakaka-addict. Pero alin nga bang mas bagay sa'yo?
Ang badminton ay isa sa pinakamailis na racket sports sa mundo. Kailangan mo ng explosive movement, mabilis na footwork, lightning-fast reflexes, at solid endurance.
Sa pickleball naman, hindi lang bilis ang labanan, diskarte rin. At dahil sa kitchen line, mas exciting ang mabilis na hand battles at strategic rallies.
Kung speed, power at physical intensity ang usapan, badminton ang panalo.
Pero kung strategy, accessibility at beginner-friendly ang basehan, pickleball naman ang lamang. So choose badminton kung gusto mo ng explosive speed, athletic movement at powerful rallies. Pero choose pickleball kung trip mo ang smart tactics, mabilis na hand rally, at isang sport na madaling simulan pero mahirap i-master. Ikaw, team badminton o team pickleball?
Let me know in the comments and follow for more exciting content.